toy.
What do we got here?
Pocket 3.
Yep, DJI Pocket 3. It is all the rage.
Yeah, we'll play with it. Brand new to us.
Yep, there we go. From we've seen lots and lots of YouTubers down here. This is what they use now, so we decided, let me rephrase that. Randy decided that he wanted to try it. So here we are. Where are we headed?
Hell, if we don't change the ways.
This might go on YouTube. You better.
Might not. We're going to attempt Disney World fireworks for the 4th of July.
Yep.
The weather ain't looking too good.
Got to be positive.
So we may do a breakfast battle.
It's going to blow over. But yeah, we're headed to Magic Kingdom. This is July 3rd for the 4th of July fireworks. They do it on July 3rd and 4th, which is what we did last year, and it worked out really well. So we're going to try it again. And I'm going to play with the camera.
Other than being extremely hot, which it always is down here.
Yeah, I mean, it is. But it is cloudy.
And very humid.
Got a traffic jam. But yeah. All right. We'll keep you guys informed. Alright, we're going through the gates. The most magical place on earth. Woohoo! Alright, headed to Magic Kingdom. Hoping these dark clouds go away. Alright, we made it into the Magic Kingdom. Randy's filming on the Sony and I'm on the new Pocket 3. Vlogception here. Ready? Alright.
Sony A6700.
Okay, Sony A6700.
Magic Kingdom monorail.
Monorail. Alright, I don't know if we'll make this one or not. We're not the speediest walkers ever. We shall see. Monorail yellow. Or... yeah, it is. This is fun. Alright, we made it in. We are in the Magic Kingdom. See, they got the 4th of July bunting up. Hoping these clouds blow over and it doesn't storm. First on the agenda is dinner. We left straight from work and came right here. We're on the hunt for the corn dogs. And there's a funnel cake that I want to try, special for the 4th of July.
Hey gang, for the Millers.
In Paradise.
Steamy hot paradise, 3rd of July.
Yes, it is a little warm.
But when isn't?
But we're hoping, there are a lot of dark clouds around, so we're hoping that it doesn't rain. We're here for the 4th of July fireworks. Magic Kingdom does them on the 3rd and the 4th, so that's really cool. We did it last year and they were amazing. So we're gonna do that and get some corn dogs, and I want to try the new 4th of July funnel cake.
I'm hungry.
Yes, we're hungry. So anyway, y'all come with us for 4th of July celebration on July 3rd. Let's go have some fun.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. This is gonna be a test of that mic. Oh, they got fireworks. They've got a DJ up at the castle. So yeah, it's kind of a party atmosphere. This is definitely new. a party tonight, I can tell. Here's the new menu at Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. They did change it and they took away the Nutella waffle that everybody loved, but here's the new ones. All right, Randy's gonna try this corn dog. Actually, he already tried it on the other camera, but
Worth another bite.
his second bite with his ketchup and not mustard. He said this was the best corn dog he ever had in his life. Direct quote.
Ketchup's the only way.
He said ketchup's the only way. No, mustard's the only way. The great divide in our house, ketchup and mustard. Could be worse. Oh no, another one we have is dippy eggs or scrambled eggs. He says dippy all the way. All right, that's our two divides.
She's fixing to ruin a whole corn dog here.
No,
Putting mustard on it.
Look at that, look how fat that is.
I know.
Look at that.
Massive. Ketchup is the only way to go.
I can't even bite.
Think is that mouth is? I know you can do that.
No, you didn't.
That's a massive corn dog.
This thing is huge.
Huh? Good. Yeah, that's amazing. Chips, I'm not that crazy about. They're too hard for me. They're kettle chips, what it's called.
Yeah.
They taste good, but they're too daggone crunchy. Like eating crouton,
Kind of.
cremated. Try the pound cake. We got this on the camera yesterday. Looks like a mess to me.
That's another 10 out of 10. So good. But it's only here, I think, for this week. I think after this week. But I'm sure they'll do something else, especially when Halloween comes. They'll do
They
a,
got two other funnel cakes on the regular menu.
yeah.
This was just for this week, the 4th of July.
Yep.
They always have these. That's amazing.
Yep. I think there would be a literal riot if they ever decided to take those corn dogs off.
Yeah, they're amazing.
There was almost a riot over taking off the Nutella waffle.
All right, we'll go dig in.
All right, well, Main Street was packed. We couldn't get on it. So we're on the side over here by Sleepy Hollow where we ate. So we're gonna have a side view of the castle, but we should have a pretty good view of the fireworks. It's not too crowded right here, so I think we're gonna stake out our spot right here.
America, a land where eagles soar. Since history began, its people have celebrated the magnificence of this land. Tonight, we celebrate America, a land of many people, a country that continues to grow, a nation of courage and independence. America the Beautiful. With joy, we celebrate the United States of America, a vast mosaic of individuality and inspiration, a vibrant palette of cultures and colors, a country whose pioneering spirit continues to live on in the hearts and minds of people who cherish freedom in this land and around the globe. the 50 stars and 13 stripes are so grandly united upon Old Glory, our nation's flag unites us all. Let us join together in salute to the red, white, and blue, and cheer the hopes and dreams that continue to shine throughout America.
Alright gang, we finally made it to the car. Never again.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but Randy's literally soaking, wringing wet.
And this is the second time. We dried out, sitting in the way with it. No, walking through the Emporium. Cooled off, and I was almost dry when it came out, and this is just from the Emporium to the parking lot. It's been rough, I tell you.
Yep.
Head is throbbing from the daggone dance music. Boom, 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 the whole time we were there. No, I ain't doing this stuff again. No.
Yeah,
Honey Bun almost passed out. Yeah, it ain't worth it.
Yeah. So last year when we came, I remember it being hot, but not this bad and stuff, but I don't know if it's hotter this year or the humidity's worse or what.
This was just as bad as the Halloween party last year.
Yeah, but the Halloween party last year, that was just horrendous. Pro tip, don't go to the Halloween party in August. Wait until October. pro tip. But
I'm not going to the park again until November.
November.
And stop in April.
I told Randy,
That's when it gets hot there.
if we want to see the 4th of July fireworks next year, what I'm going to do is book us
Watch our old videos.
that, or I'm going to book us a room in a resort here that has a theme park view where you can sit on your balcony, pipe in the music, and watch the fireworks from there. Because
Much gooder.
this was excruciating, and I literally did almost pass out a couple of times. I felt so bad. We did enjoy our food, I'm gonna say. The funnel cake for 4th of July was amazing. The corn dogs were amazing. So that part was great. But we waited an hour for our spot for the fireworks, which wasn't even a prime spot, honestly. And that's when the breeze stopped. There was no breeze. There were so many people. And
Yeah,
it
we
was
got there,
just...
what, 7 o'clock?
Got where?
To Magic Kingdom.
I don't remember.
It was around 7 o'clock, and they had that dance party going, so the whole hub was slam packed time we got there. And of course, they never slacked off with the fireworks, so you couldn't get a view of the fireworks.
Yeah, and I do not remember...
We found one little spot I could see the castle, and that's about it.
I don't remember last year them having a dance party. But they had several of them, not just, there was one in front of the castle, and then they had another one over by Country Bear Jamboree, another one there, and I'm pretty sure they had one over in Tomorrowland over in that area as well. But man, we sat to rest after the fireworks, kind of in a little area in the hub, but the music was so loud. It was like being a concert. Like, I went to an NF concert not that long ago, and this music was just as loud as it was in that concert. Ears ringing. I mean, you could feel it bumping in your chest.
Yeah, nothing other than the castle reminded me of a theme park tonight. Reminded me of a nightclub.
It really did. Yeah. It did not.
I didn't enjoy it at all.
I don't know. I mean, it was just... so, my second pro tip of the night is, if you want to see the 4th of July fireworks, you can book a dining reservation at California Grill up at the top of the Contemporary. And anytime during that day you can eat, and they give you a pass to come back that night, and you can go out on their private area and stand there and watch the fireworks. That would work too. Or get you a room.
Much rather have a private balcony.
But, you know. But
And if you want to come do that,
if you do want to come, I would love to help you book a trip. And
wouldn't recommend it this time of year, but anyway.
Yeah, I'll put my link. Not my link. I say that every time. My email right here, and you can email me for some free quotes if you're interested in a trip. That is another pro tip. Try not to come in the summer. Any other time but the summer, not
you know, a lot of people got kids out of school and stuff like that, so you're kind of stuck with that. But it's much more enjoyable when it cools off to me and us.
Yeah.
It's so miserable right now.
It was kind of the not so magical kingdom tonight.
No, it wasn't any magic there to me at all tonight.
Other than the food.
That was good.
The food was really
Wasn't
good.
fun having sweat dripping in your eyes trying to eat it, but
Yeah, that's true.
it was still good food.
But yeah. But anyway, this is July 3rd. Want to wish you all a very happy 4th of July tomorrow. And thanks so much for watching and following along. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to invite you to join our Millers in Paradise family. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post all our upcoming videos, which we have decided is going to be dining reviews or things that involve water.
Until it cools off.
Speaking of things that involve water, we got a big adventure coming out soon on
You going to the pool?
yeah, we definitely are, on Allure of the Sea. So y'all stay tuned for our upcoming cruise video. Super excited about that. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Remember,
Paradise is a steamy sort of situation. State of mind. I lost my track of thought.
Yeah, paradise is a state of
Too hot.
mind, especially when it's this hot. Bye, guys.